Alright, everyone! So, ang ating susunod na author ay... okay, so our next author is a renowned Spanish-Filipino poet and novelist based in Angeles City. He is the author of the award-winning book series Shades of Seasons and has been featured in various international book anthologies, magazines, and literary folios published worldwide. His love for literature began at a young age, and he pursued his passion for honing his craft as a writer. His unique perspective and writing style have made him a favorite among readers worldwide. Let us welcome our next author, Edison Dizon.
Good evening,
Hello.
everyone. Good evening
Yes,
po.
sige, go. Bumati ka muna sa kanilang lahat.
Hello po, dear viewers, to each and every one of us here, no? So, I'm Edison Dizon, one of the newest author ni TBC, of course, and I hope you are all doing great. And syempre, thanks for tuning, and I know we are all busy, of course, but still, no, naglaan pa rin po kayo, no, ng time. Maraming salamat po. And with that, no, malaking bagay na po iyon, no? Giving your time and watching us tonight, no, in our live. And syempre kay Sir Mix, no, for hosting, and Kuya Jari, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Yes. Thank you so much, Edison. It's our first time din na mag-usap kasi nung nag-launch kayo ng letter, etc., hindi ka naka-attend, sadly. But
Yeah,
now,
I
at
wasn't
least,
able to
you're
attend.
here and we're launching. It's okay. At least now you're here and you're launching your first
Yes.
solo book under TBC Publications. Okay, let's have Migs and ipagpatuloy natin ang chika. Napa-English kasi ako. Nag-English ka kasi. Ayan. Para mapatuloy na
Francis
ang
Migs.
chikahan natin, let's invite Migs. Yes, let's invite Migs on the stage.
Ayan,
Go ahead.
Akala ko na
Ayan.
iwan na tayo. Hello,
Grabe.
sir.
Hello, Edison. Yan, grabe. First of all, no, grabe yung pagkaka-introduce pa lang. Una Spanish Filipinos. Ito muna before we start.
Sabi ko nga, wag na yun eh.
Yeah, before we start, yung book mo ba may Spanish na pieces or ano siya? Ano ba siya? English, Filipino, Spanish or
It's an
combination?
English.
Mga English lahat.
Yes, opo.
Okay. Okay, good, no? So, yeah, nakakatuwa, grabe. Before we start, no, ayun ulit.
Mas nakakatuwa, Sir Migs, ang mag-live tayo ngayon. Nang
Yes,
pareho
nakakatuwa.
tayong audible.
Yes! At mabilis ang
Walang
internet,
ingay,
no?
Oo.
Grabe, yes.
Mabilis ang net ngayon. Dahil siguro mainit, yun na lang ang pambayad nila sa atin.
Ayun na
Ang
lang.
mabilis na net, kahit mainit. Ako nga
Free trial to eh.
Nakabukas ng aircon eh.
Totoo. Pero, yeah, so since nandito na yung ating mga viewers, maybe you can give, ano ba yung common theme nung book mo, na parang kay Althea kanina. Ano yung common theme, or can you give us a brief overview nung book mo ba?
Common theme. Ano ba yung common theme? Actually, no, it depicts different kinds of themes, like it's about love, family, friends, loss, no, and etc. It depicts different kasi Eventide is an anthology eh. Anthology kasi siya, no? It is a combination of poetry, prose, letters, and word of assertion or the words of affirmations, no? Wherein, each piece, no, was crafted, syempre, for everyone. And lahat po ay nasulat ng 3 a.m. Yun lang masasabi ko eh. Kasi din lang gumagana yung creative juices ko eh. During 3 a.m. talaga. Kung baga 3 a.m. thoughts siya.
Yes.
Oo, ganon. So,
Yes.
ayun, no, it depicts different kinds of themes, no? So, lahat ng themes siguro, no, na pumasok that time, no, kasi during 3 a.m. doon lang ako nakakapagsulat. At doon ko lang na, yung peace talaga, kasi pag umaga ang ingay, di ba? We are all
Totoo.
busy with different things, Di ba?
Yeah.
That
Yes,
is why
totoo.
siguro tayo kasi as a poet, hindi pwede na.
Mm-mm.
You know what I mean? Yung
Yes.
although we are not aiming for perfection, pero pag once we write something kasi gusto natin yung talagang we are poet, then of course once we write, syempre these are the words na parang we are afraid to speak no? These are the words that you know yung we are afraid to share to everyone because we are afraid of judgment, diba?
Yeah.
And we are afraid of what society will going to, you know what I mean, diba?
Yeah, and parang challenge din kasi sa atin yun, no, as poets, na how do you convey your message na hindi masyado maraming words? Although pwede namang mahaba yung poem, pero hindi tulad ng stories na kailangan mong isa-isahin, di ba? Parang gano'n. How do you convey your emotions through chosen words lang, di ba? And nakakatuwa kasi nabanggit mo kanina na 3 a.m. So, yung kanina, di ba, kay Althea, Midnight Lullaby. So, ito dapat ata After Midnight Lullabies. Parang gano'n yung name. After Midnight.
Siguro nga. Kasi, you know,
pero,
a good poetry kasi, no? It is, you know, what do you call this one? A good poetry kasi, no? If we are really going to follow the standard, ang dami niyan eh.
Yep.
Diba? Ang dami niyan, Migs. Sasabihin ko sa'yo, you will going to consider imagery, ano pa ba yan? Emotion, sound, structure and form, and etc. No? Marami pa yan. Universal themes, economy. So, if we will going to follow that, parang, di ba, ang competition with that yung competition parang mahirap, no? Pero, you know, we are in the 21st century, no? So, sometimes, mostly free verses, no? Yung mga kinakraft natin, no? Yung talagang kung ano yung emotion na yung nararamdaman mo that time, yun yung ititipa mo. Di ba?
Yes. Totoo. Yeah, actually, na-experience ko din, no, na maglalagay ng ganyan. Tapos, pag nandun ka na, dire-diretso na mahirap nang tumigil, di ba? And it's all based on emotions talaga. Yun.
Siya,
and syempre yung timing din nung kung kailan siya lalabas, kailangan mo talaga siyang maisulat. Yeah. At tatanong ko lang, no, yung mga pieces ba dito, kasi di ko to natanong kay Althea kanina, yung mga pieces ba dito is dedicated to someone ba? To someone special or ganon? Or is it for self or for the audience?
It is dedicated for everyone, of course.
Okay.
Dedicated for everyone. Mix, psycho,
Ayan.
Hindi magandang sagot. Mix, hindi magandang sagot. Safe na sagot. safe tayo, syempre.
Safe ang sagot eh.
Syempre, dapat safe tayo.
Syempre. Yes. And do you have your book ba ngayon? Your physical copy?
Yes,
Maybe you can show it to us. Ayan, patingin daw, ayan.
Ang dami ng ang dami niya ng mga bookmark, no, na talagang sinusulat-sulatan ko pa talaga, no.
Yes.
Yung parang habang binabasa ko siya ngayon, parang ako ba talaga to? Ito ba talaga yung emotion ko?
It's your 3 a.m. self yan, tawa. Pero yung can you show it to the screen?
Once na binasa ko siya, Migs, alam mo, sa totoo lang, once na binabasa ko siya, sabi ko, iba pala ako pag alas 3 ng umaga. Nagkita pala ako ng katauhan.
Nagka-transform.
Because you know, kasi sabi nga nila, no, poetry is very subjective, no?
Tama.
So, you know, it depends what resonates with you. Diba? You know, it is like a mirror kasi no? Parang it reflects the things you have going through that time. Yeah. That's how magical poetry is, di ba? Yeah. You know, a year later, when you come across it, no, so the poem itself doesn't change. Rather, it's you that change.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
I think that's a beautiful thing about poetry. You know, it's establishing connections that we want to explain. Right?
Yep.
It conveys our emotion. Di ba? Yung tipong habang binabasa mo siya yung, ay, ito pala talaga ako nung 3 a.m. Hindi ko ma-imagine how poetic I am. Pero once na binabasa ko parang, okay, siguro nga. The words doesn't change, but rather, us, the person, the people, na nakakabasa nun, for them to change.
Wow, grabe. Grabe no, just hearing you speak, ganyan, yung depth of understanding, no, lalo na sa emotion, kung paano i-convey, not just your emotions, but how you convey your emotions. I think,
Yes.
ito na yung brief overview natin kung ano talaga i-expect natin sa loob ng book, no? So, sa mga nasa comment section, comment nyo lang if excited na kayo sa book. And can you show it to the screen, yung physical copy ng book mo para makita ng audience natin? Yan. So this is the first time, no, actually, for people to see yung cover ng book. Can you describe, since nasa iyo yung book, can you describe kung ano yung itsura ng book cover?
It's a guy, no? At syempre, of course, thanks Sir Jarek, no, for the book cover. Syempre, no? Sa napakagandang book cover, no, nice. Sir Jarek, no? So, it's a guy, no? Kung makikita nyo, nasa, nagninilay-nilay. Nagninilay-nilay siya, no? Siguro, nagre-reflect siya dyan. Hindi ko sinasabing ako yan, ha, Migs, ha? Hindi ako yan. Definitely hindi ako yan, Migs.
Safe ulit. Yeah.
Definitely hindi ako yan, Migs, no?
Yeah, so parang guy na nakatayo sa shore, yan.
Yes. Ayan. Yes. Kasi actually, actually, yung book cover kasi niya, something similar sa book cover ng previous book ko. Okay? It is not under TBC. It's a self-published book actually na doon rin kinuha ni Sir Jarek yung
kumbaga.
Yes, to craft this book cover.
Nice.
Ayan.
Nice. Ano yung title ng previous book?
Hulaan mo, Migs.
Hulaan ko.
Yes,
ang hirap hulaan kasi.
Yes,
kasi Eventide to para ewan ko mag-iisip ko na
Similar to Eventide.
Tide lang. Wala akong idea talaga.
Actually, it's After Dawn. After Dawn.
Nice.
After ng Twilight Horizon, si After Dawn. After Dawn, si Eventide.
After Dawn, nice. Ang nakakatuwa kasi sa apat na authors, chinek ko yung mga titles. Yung Eventide yung pinaka di ko maintindihan kung ano. So can you explain ba dito sa comments natin ay sa nanonood kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng Eventide and paano siya nagko-connect dun sa pieces na nasa loob ng book mo?
Actually, Eventide, para lang may ma-title. Hindi, joke lang. Para lang may
safe
ma-title.
Talaga eh.
Hindi. Yeah. Oo, safe talaga. Actually, the book itself, and pieces, sa loob, syempre, it connects, of course, kasi more on, Eventide, as we all know, it's, ito na yung nag-aagawang liwanag at ang dilim. Ito na yung time na we are resting, from the whole day na, na ginawa natin. Parang ito na yung time na wherein tayo as a person, it is the time na nakakapag-reflect tayo sa mga nangyari nung araw na yon, Alam mo, may times kasi ako ganyan ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung reflect ba yon o nag-overthink na lang ako.
Yeah.
Diba? Minsan, nag-reflect ba ako or nag-overthink na lang ako? Tama ba yung ginawa ko kanina? Alam mo yung ganon?
Yep.
That is why siguro na-produce itong si Eventide, Mema lang. Mema lang. Hindi naman mema. Siguro, destiny talaga na si Eventide, Yeah, sabi pa nga na dito, words can hurt, words can heal. Ayan. Thank you, Kuya Jarek. Love.
Yeah, special shout out nga pala. Kanina dito si Kuya Jarek. Pero ang ganda. Nagagandahan ako sa title. Nagagandahan ako with how it connects dun sa messages mo sa loob ng book. Now, I'm just curious, meron ka bang inspiration yan before? Siguro sa within yourself or may experience, ganyan. Ano yung inspiration mo with this book?
Inspiration for this book siguro, Yun nga yung nasabi ko kanina, Half of the pieces here are based, on my experience and who knows, di ba? Half of this might be yours, di ba? Might be on the other person, hindi natin alam. Pwede yung pusa ko. Pwedeng na-expire ako sa... Oy, wait lang! Wag ka!
Hmm.
Meron akong pieces dito. Letters... later na lang. Later.
Yan,
Wag tayong atat.
sige. Yan sa mga excite na rin, no? Meron tayo ulit live reading later after nitong interview. Pero I think tinanong ko rin to kay Althea kanina. Ayun nga, since meron tayong may mga messages tayong gustong sabihin, bakit poetry yung napili mo and hindi stories or essays or anything ganyan? Bakit poetry?
Poetry, actually nag-start talaga kasi ako Migs, no? Poetry talaga no? Ito talaga yung una kong minahal. No? Because poetry depicts darkness, no? Of our being, no? As we all know that darkness has always been everywhere, diba? They are in your room, in an empty corridor, in an old railway, or in a cold conversation, no? So they are everywhere, no? Parang my darkness in life kasi, no, has always been, terrifying, no? But then, no, it's something that I learned to convert it, no, into words. So
Nice.
this book serves as my journey through healing talaga, no?
Nice.
Kaya marami alam mo, no, andyan, no, as an author, no, hindi naman sa we are some of our authors, although magagaling naman talaga yung iba sa ating mga authors, but there are these authors kasi na meron lang may produce, no, meron lang maisulat, no, for the sake na kumita.
Yes. Oh. Okay. Nawala ba? Hello, Edison? Okay, so medyo nawala. Medyo. So nawala si Edison. Pero nakakatuwa, no, na he got to share kung ano yung pinanggalingan ng book. Yun nga, more on his experiences talaga. And na-check ko rin nabasa ko rin yung medyo yung ibang laman ng book. And siguro I would summarize it kumbaga parang life, no? So iba-iba kasi meron yung pain, meron yung more on self-affirmations doon, kumbaga. Nakakatuwa kung paano magsalita si Kuya Edison kanina. Ganun siya magsalita doon sa libro. So, yun siguro. Pero, ayan pala si Kuya. Ito pala si Kuya Jaric.
Yes.
Niya.
Nawala si Edison, hindi ko alam. Parang nag-black out, no?
Yeah, baka na-disconnect siya bigla.
Like yung screen niya biglang. Oo, okay. Hintayin natin ang pagbabalik ni Edison para bahagian niya tayo ng mga pieces sa kanyang libro.
Yes.
And ayun, narinig ko kanina na pinag-usapan niya tungkol sa book cover na ipinattern nga namin siya. So, yung dalawang past books niya na sinelf-publish niya, nung pinakita niya sa akin, ganon, meron siyang guy character, and yung mga title niya nga ganyan, parang alakas baka Twilight series. Eventide, After Dawn, mga ganon. Kaya sabi ko, okay. So, kaya I decided na ganon rin yung gawin niya cover, na merong isang guy na illustration, and yun, para gumawa parang yung flow ba, para ganyan yung libro, tapos yung sa mga past books niya. Now, while also waiting for Edison, we can read some comments here. Bebe PG.
Yeah. Sure, nakakatawa kasi itong latest. May latest comment si Althea, kaya nung nawala ata, baka daw nag-reflect lang siya. Baka daw nag-reflect lang.
Kaya nawala. Sabi ni Angel, true Kuya Eds, kapag unang minahal mo, ayun talaga ang lagi mong pipiliin.
Grabe, guys!
Pagdebatihan natin to.
Okay, magbukas ng bagong link.
Naniniwala ka ba dyan?
Totoo talaga yan. I mean, kasi pag first love mo, nagme-make ka ng new space Tapos pag nawala yon or natapos na, nandun yung space na yon na kailangan mong ma-fill in next time. Na hindi
na mga susunod.
Oo, parang ganon. Ayun, I think naniniwala naman ako dyan. Totoo talaga. Ikaw ba?
Bigla ako nag-reflect. Nakakala ko si Edison, nag-reflect tuloy ako. Iniisip ko kasi kung sino yung first love ko, para kasing Hindi ko, na-consider mo ba na first love yung puppy love? Hindi ko kasi alam kung yun yung basihan natin ng first love, yung unang tumibok yung puso mo, nagkaroon ka ng gusto na ibig sabihin, so para sa akin puppy love pa lang yun kasi I was only 11 ata or 10. So kung yun ang babasihan ko nung first love, I don't think I would choose that person again. Kasi nga, yun. Pero kung ang babasihan natin ay first love na unang naging karelasyon, kung gano'n, kasi mas ibang usapan na yun, di ba? Mas malalim na yun. Baka mag-differ yung answer ko. Pero kung first love na una talaga nagpatibok ng puso mo, I don't think I will choose that person again. Ayun lang, share ko lang. At nandito na si Edison!
Ayan na. Sige, game.
Ayan. So, you have another question pa ba for him? I think may question ka pa, di ba? Sige lang, pagpatuloy niyo lang kasi wala pa si Jo. So, habang mag-chikan muna kayo ni Edison. Pero ayan, invite na natin siya dito habang nagbabasa tayo ng comments. Hello, ano nangyari?
Yeah.
Hello! Hindi ko rin alam kung anong nangyari.
Nagulat kami, biglang nag-block yung screen mo, girl.
Oo.
Baka.
Ang mahalaga nakabalik. Di ba?
True.
Yeah.
Ayan, pinagdedebatean namin yung share mo kanina, pinagdedebatean namin. May mga nagko-comment dito. Kung hindi ka love, hindi ka talaga pipiliin. Ay, mga ganun na yung mga comment nila sa Comsec.
Wow. Yes.
Ayan. Sige, magchika na ulit kayo ni Migs. Edison, go ahead.
Ayun,
Migs,
naputol
isa lang yung
kanina
masasabi
eh.
ko.
Ayan,
Isa lang ang
game.
masasabi ko, Migs.
Game.
Isa lang ang masasabi ko talaga, Migs.
Ano
Tanong mo
yun?
ano?
Ano
Feel ko
yun?
nag-overtime na tayo.
Hindi, okay lang naman.
Hindi
Okay
pa ba
lang.
tayo nag-overtime nito?
Hindi pa naman.
Ay,
may
sana kasi
natutira
tayo.
pa
Oh,
naman.
ayan, no?
Mm-mm.
Ayun. Yun yung journey ko through healing kasi eh. Ano ba yung pinag-uusapan nyo kanina? Parang nawala ako bigla. Ay, hindi talagang nawala pala ako.
Pinagdedebatehan namin yung
Hindi pala
yung
pala, oo.
una mo, first love mo, yun yung talagang lagi mong pipiliin. Yun yung pinagdedebatehan namin sa comment section kanina.
Yung first love mo, yun yung lagi mong pipiliin. Ikaw ba,
Kasi
Migs?
nabanggit mo kanina na first love mo yung poetry eh. Yan.
Oo.
Mm-mm. Ayun.
Alam mo, babalik at babalik ka, Migs. Sa totoo lang,
Mm.
babalik at babalik ka eh.
Yeah.
Babalik at babalik ka sa mga bagay na talagang una mong minahal.
Yeah.
No? Babalik ka, pero siguro kung sa tao yan, I don't think so.
Ibang usapan na yun.
Oo. Ibang usapan na yon. Pero if it is, the things that, naging part kasi ng buhay mo yun eh. Tsaka yun talaga ever since yung ginagawa mo. Maliban na lang kung sigurong napundi na yung, yung fire, di ba, inside you, yung sparks mo inside you, di ba? So sabi nga kasi nila, no, everyone can write, no? But, not everyone, ano ba yun? Everyone can write, but not everyone is a writer. Di ba?
Yes.
Kasi 'di ba, that means yung parang you have the ability, no, to put words on paper, but not everyone has the skill kasi, no, or talent to do so effectively.
Yes.
Kaya nga yun nga yung sinasabi ko kanina nung nawala ako, yung sabi ko yung yung mga writer na for the sake na kumita lang.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Yung wala akong pinatatamaan dito. Wala akong pinatatamaan dito. Pero marami akong mga nabasa na mga book na, yung for the sake siguro na ginagamit nila yung pagiging famous nila or na, sabi ko nga everyone can write but not everyone is a writer. That's my mantra kasi no? No, writing, especially good writing, no, it requires more than just an ability kasi, no, to string words together, no.
Tama.
It involves perhaps creativity, no, craft and ability to convey, of course, ideas, no, emotions or stories in a compelling way, no. So while parang anyone can technically write, no, not everyone has what it takes to be, no?
Yes.
A writer in a sense of producing work that is engaging, no? Impactful
Yes.
or, memorable, 'di ba?
Yes.
So,
Tama.
ayun,
Mm.
'di ba?
Yeah, tama. I think ano din, no, more than sa ability natin as writers to write, more on authenticity din. Kasi in
Oo.
every piece that you write, you have to parang put yourself out there, no? Parang yun nga, nabanggit
Yes.
din before na sa mga pieces na yan is also a part of you. So, kung ano yung nababasa ng tao, parang kausap ka na rin nila.
Kausap ka na rin nila, 'di ba?
Yes. Yeah.
Kumbaga,
Yun yung,
they are inside your shoes. Kahit siguro
Yes.
mabaho yung shoes, nandun
Yes.
pa rin sila sa loob.
ayun nga, sabihin ko sana laban
Literal,
yung shoes.
ginawang literal. O syempre,
Literal na
para
wag
safe
yun.
tayo. Safe
Yes,
na naman
maganda.
tayo.
Disinfect na,
Oo.
yeah. Pero
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
ito, may question ako na natanong ko before. What do you hope readers will take away from your work or from your book?
Ay, marami.
Mm.
Marami. Mostly siguro, mostly learning about life.
Like,
Kasi based on these pieces kasi, it's not just a poetry and prose. It's not just a letters.
Yep.
It's also, meron din siyang kahalong affirmation. These are the learning, through the chaotic, things that happens to you, at the end, parang Pandora's box lang yan, all the plagues and sorrows, di ba? Pero there's still hope, di ba? So
ganda.
itong book na ito, yan, medyo may kabigatan nga lang, kasi emotionally speaking, medyo mabibigat yung words at medyo emotional siya, pero at the end there is hope. Yung alam mo yung na-experience mo siya, down na down ka na, pero at the end of the day pala, there's still hope.
Ganda. Ganda nun, grabe. And yeah, I can attest to that, kasi nakakita na rin ako ng konting glimpse dun sa book ni Edison. And oo nga, mabigat nga siya na read. Hindi naman sobrang bigat, pero yeah, heavy read siya in the sense na malalim, no? And
Yes.
ang ganda nun na nanggaling mismo kay Edison na kahit gaano kalalim yung kumbaga emotions na nandun or kahit yung words, there's still hope for us to, number one, to understand and to continue living. Kumbaga.
Kaya nga
Nakakatuwa.
sabi na dito, words can hurt and then words can heal.
Nice. Yun nga. Totoo, words can hurt, words can heal. Yan.
Words can
And since
heal.
since ikaw yung first author ngayon na parang hindi na first time maging poet, ano yung advice
Yes.
mo sa mga bagong poets ngayon? Ano yung pwede mong i-advise sa kanila?
Very simple, just be yourself. Just be yourself. Kasi poetry, it doesn't it doesn't requires, magaling ka, pumili ng mga salita na ilalapat mo. Hindi
Yeah.
Gaganda ang salitang mailalapat mo kung sasamahan mo ng puso.
Nice.
Kung i-involve mo yung mismong sarili mo. Kasi kung Migs, ito I think you will agree with me. Madaling magsulat
Yep.
Madaling pumili ng mga matatalinhagang salita
Yep.
Pero once na binasa yan ng mga readers mo, mafe-feel nila kung galing ba sa puso yung sinulat mo o hindi. Mafe-feel nila yon, Migs.
Yep.
I tell you. Mararamdaman nila yon. Kung bang ang ginawa mong piece na yan, does it reflect you as a writer or ginawa mo lang ba yan for the sake na meron ka lang ma-produce? Mafe-feel nila yon. Lalo na if the readers is also an inspiring writer or author, malalaman nila yan, alam nila. Kasi ako before naging aspiring authors din ako, aspiring writer. Bago ako naging writer, naging leader muna tayo, syempre. 'Di ba? At doon tayo kumuha ng idea at ng inspiration, 'di ba? Alam nila, kaya ako as a writer, alam ko rin. May mga nabasa na rin ako, ng mga books, ng mga poetry and prose novels na alam ko kung galing talaga sila, you know, sa puso nila or ginawa lang nila just to produce or, you know, to make a sales, no?
Yes. Ganda. Ganda nun. Be yourself. Tandaan yan.
Yes.
Grabe. Comment nyo yan dyan ng madaming beses para para matandaan nyo. Pero yeah, be yourself. Just be authentic nga kasi, yeah.
Kasi
you put
mismo
yourself
ang
out
mga
there.
salita ang hindi ang salita ang maglalaro at magsasalita
Yes.
para sa iyo. Migs,
Yes.
ang tanging magsasalita diyan ng emotion mo through your
Nice.
words.
Yes. Totoo. Ganda nun. Grabe. And ayun, future plans as a poet, as a writer, no? Or for this book, for your event-tide na book, baka may future plans ka pa na pwede mong i-share sa ating viewers.
Future plans, Migs, tatanungin mo talaga yan. Ako hindi ako mag-atubiling sasabihin ko kung ano ang future plans ko sa mga books ko.
Okay.
Isa lang na ako hindi naman sa pag-aambisyon. Isa lang naman, syempre, kahit ikaw, Migs, di ba? Sino ba naman ang hindi nangarap maging international best-selling author? Lahat
Yes.
tayo na writer, pinangarap natin yan, di ba?
Yes.
At, kumbaga, to aim that, no? Syempre, it takes a lot of, you know, hard, di ba? Talagang dadaan ka sa paghihirap. Kasi gusto mo Tsaka ginusto mo yan.
Yeah.
Paghirapan mo. Wala naman mga bagay, di ba? Wala naman bagay na hindi pinaghirapan. Diba?
Yes.
Yung mga best-selling author na yan, pinaghirapan nila yan.
Yes.
Naghirap sila dahil, you know, di ba? Marami, I don't want to mention anyone, no, na mga author. Pero, nasa position sila ngayon na pinaghirapan nila yun di ba?
Ganda. Tama.
And who are we to
yeah.
judge, di ba? And who are we to judge them? Sila yun di ba? And we have, syempre, may kanya-kanya tayong tadhana. O malay mo, Migs, hindi ka na mag-ano ngayon, hindi ka na ano kasi,
Uy, baka naman.
Oo. Baka bukas pala. Hindi mo nakilala sa Edison.
Hindi naman.
Bukas pala, hindi ko alam nasa nasa Amazon ang mga book mo. Diba?
Sana nga, Pero yeah, grabe. Yan sa mga viewers natin, hintayin natin na introduce si Edison Dizon, international best-selling author. Grabe naman. Yeah. So last na before we proceed to your live reading ng mga selected pieces mo. Anything you want to share more sa mga viewers natin? Baka may hindi tayo na-discuss or something.
Syempre, taus-pusong pasasalamat, Migs, no? For tuning. Syempre, no? Hindi natin, ang time ng tao hindi natin hawak yan Pero yung Migs, yung may tao pa rin naglaan ng oras para sa'yo, hindi matatawaran yun, Migs.
Yes.
Kahit, alam mo yung tipong, they don't have, let's say they don't have money to buy your books, pero yung sumali sila sa live, diba? Sumuporta sila, hindi matatawaran yun, Migs.
Yes.
And, through that, no, maraming salamat po, no, sa ating mga taga-subaybay ngayon. And syempre, no, I want to invite everyone to grab a copy of my book. Thanks for this opportunity, of course. TBC, Sir Jaric, and as the newest author, no, I know, di ba, maraming author ang TBC, pero ayun, nabigyan pa rin ako ng pagkakataon, no, na maibahagi ang aking sulating akda, no, sa TBC Publishing. So, do I need to read na ba?
Yeah.
Kasi, Migs, alam mo, sa totoo lang, Migs, hindi ko feel. Kumbaga, talaga nag-overtime na tayo.
Okay lang naman.
Feel ko nag-overtime tayo, pero hindi pala feel. Talagang nag-overtime na tayo. Baka naghintay na si Jo.
Okay lang naman. Pero,
it's okay.
Yeah, pero so, thank you sa pag-share mo ng wisdom, no? I think we can call on Kuya Jaric na to facilitate your live reading. Thank you for your wisdom. Thank you for sharing your book. And ayun. Good job.
Yes, I'm here. Thank you so much, Migs and Edison. Yes, finally, we are launching your
Finally.
debut book under TBC Publications. Ready ka
Thank
na
you so
ba to
much.
share?
Yes,
Welcome,
yes.
welcome, Be. Ready ka na to share an excerpt of your book?
Yeah, do I need to share two or three? Medyo may kahabaan kasi, or do I need to
Oh,
share one na
sige,
lang?
go. Sure, go. Go for two. Sige, I will
Two.
introduce you
Okay.
first. Okay, to all of our
Sige.
viewers, let us all lend our ears and listen to the excerpt of Edison Dizon's book, Eventide.
Okay, this piece is entitled Same Love, written by yours truly, of course. It says here, give yourself permission to stop accepting things that aren't serving you well. They were the ones who taught you to settle just so you wouldn't lose it. You don't live your life to please others or to squash yourself into this small space with a gleam of hope that vanished before you got hold of it. Stop expecting others to keep track of you when you actually need someone to calm your racing mind. Stop hoping that someone will bring a lamp into your life during the most trying times. You'll realize that you're surrounded by people who love you unconditionally. You'll come across people who accept you for who you are despite your flaws and limitations. As a consequence, those who care just about what they can get from you are the most at risk of loss. Keep your peace and don't allow fleeting people to steal it from you. In the end, you'll discover that the love you want is the same love you can give to yourself. Isa pa lang yon. Yes, and for the second, do I need to continue na ba for the second or?
Yes, please. Go ahead, Edison.
Okay, and for the second, I have here, and that is an affirmation pala, no? Same love. And this second will be a letters, okay? Although hindi February ngayon, pero I will going to read one of the letters that I wrote, no, back in, February. So it's entitled, Dear February. As you approach in your festive red and pinks, celebrating love in all its grandeur, I am surrounded by an idyllic sense of loneliness. Isn't it ironic, right? Everyone out there enjoys company, while here I am, still feeling the weight of loneliness a bit more. February, you are a continuous reminder of what I want but don't have. A lively connection, shared love, and someone to call home. Watching others find comfort and happiness in their person makes me pathetically envious. I had this whisper of wishing I could also wait for the day when I could do the same. It would be a lie if I said I didn't hope for my own love story and be one of those who get too excited for this month as well. But for now, I will try my best to move through your days in February. I keep a glimmer of optimism in my heart. There is a part of me that feels, perhaps foolishly, that my time will come. Someday, I will meet someone who makes every February a celebration of love. For the time being, I must face another season of love alone, like I always do. But I refuse to let go of my hopes.
Naps, I love it. Ha! Pag gano'n naman yung mga shinare mo, ang lalalim naman, be. Pero alam mo, Syempre nung sinabit niya yan for TBC review, yan rin yung una ko napansin. Ang lalim nung mga words na ginamit mo, pero tagos and maiintindihan mo siya. And I don't know, kaya yun yung isa sa mga deciding factors ko why I said yes to your book, the way you wrote it. So the styling and the word choices, ang galing, and I have to commend you on that. Congratulations.
And that is our goal kasi as a writer di ba?
Mm-mm.
Mabigat yung salita pero in a simplest way of narrating
Yes.
na mas maiintindihan. Di ba?
At ramdam.
What do we need to, di ba, to use highfalutin word kung hindi naman maiintindihan? Pero yung lalim
tama.
at in the simplest way of narrating, it's perfect. Di ba?
True. And yeah, I would like to congratulate you,
Thank
and
you so
I'm
much.
happy. You're welcome. I have a question. I'm very, very curious about this. Sana okay lang na nasagutin mo. Okay lang ba? Natanongin ko kung ilang
Yes, of
taon ka
course.
na.
Yes. 41. Magpo-41 this year.
Seryoso pa? Okay, you don't look your age. Akala ko parang mga nasa 20 plus ka pa lang.
kasi meron akong tata. Nakatata ko.
Hindi kasi maliban doon, to those of you watching tonight, si Edison kasi may doctorate degree siya. And yun, kaya nung binabasa ko yung work mo, in-expect ko na it's gonna be, alam mo yon, fantabulous, ganon. Kasi in-expect, you have a doctorate degree, and alam ko that your word choices would be different from someone who, na yung ganon. So, sabi ko, grabe. And yeah, you've met my expectations when I was reading your work, and I was very pleased. And I'm very happy na umuo ka rin naman. Siyempre, it goes two streets. Kaya I'm very happy that you also said yes to be part of TBC Publications.
Yes, and I'm also
You
happy, of course, Kuya Jarek, for
Thank
giving me
you.
an opportunity to be part. Yes. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Ayun, you wanna read some comments here? Kasi hindi ata kayo napagbasa
Yes.
ni Mix. Ayan, may mga
Hindi ko nakikita
nag-comment.
yung comment. Jarek,
Ay,
hindi ko
hindi.
nakikita yung comment. Saan ba? Saan ba makita yun?
Sa mismong
Gusto ko lang sumagot
Facebook.
kanina, hindi ko nakikita. Wait lang.
Or dito sa mismong StreamYard natin, hindi mo nakikita sa StreamYard natin? Sa screen ng StreamYard?
Wait lang, tingnan natin.
Fina-flash ko naman siya sa screen.
So,
Wala.
chat ba to?
Wala
Show
naman
chat.
masyado.
Hindi ko
Wala naman.
nakikita talaga.
Wala. Pero nasa
Hindi ko
screen ko sa.
nakikita.
Wala namang questions. More on mga lang sila. Mga pabate. Ayan, at sa babasahin ko na lang. Sabi ni Leia, want ko si Eventide. Sabi
Thank you
naman
so
ni
much
Althea.
po.
Ayan, sabi naman ni Althea, stop expecting others to keep track of you. Grabe yun. Isa sa mga binasa mo kanina. Literal
Opo.
na mabigat each word. Mabigat pero hindi mahirap maintindihan at maramdaman.
Thank you
Sabi
so
naman ni
much po.
Zenki, parang okay naman ako kanina pero parang hindi na ngayon. After nung live reading daw. Kasi nga may hugot yung mga words na ginamit mo dun sa 2 pieces na binasa mo. Alright, I will give you the floor again, Edison, to invite everyone to grab a copy of your book. Ayan, pakita mo sa kanila yung Eventide. Nasa iyo naman yung
po.
complimentary copy. Yeah, please
Yes.
invite them to grab a copy of your book, and also take this time to thank anyone you would like to thank. Yan. So I will give you the floor now.
Ayan.
Go ahead.
Ayan po. I am inviting everyone, to please grab a copy na po, to show support to me and also to other fellow local authors, So it will be available soon, or pre-order po tayo. Yes, pre-order po tayo under TBC, and then shoutout lang sa mga nanonood diyan, So I want to take this opportunity rin, na pasalamatan kayo, sa panonood ng aming live, And with that, thank you very much po, and have a good night.
Ala, na-remove ko si Edison. Ayan, thank you
Na-remove.
so much. Edison, sorry, na-remove kita.
Yes.
Ayan, hello.
Okay
Ayan,
lang po.
thank you so much din for being here tonight. Alam ko that you are a very busy person. But thank you so much for also
Mas busy ka,
Ay,
kuya. Mas busy ka, Kuya Jarek.
sa true
Ewan
naman.
ako,
Tatlong
mas busy
event
ka.
yung ginagawa ko ngayon. May event pa kami sa PNU.
Yes.
Pero
Okay,
ayun, still
sige,
thank you so
mas busy ka.
much. And thank you so much for sharing your talent. I think yun yung number one na gusto kong pasalamatan sa iyo at sa lahat ng mga manunulat na meron tayo sa TBC. Kasi yung sinishare mo kanina na parang yung iba parang they just use their fame. Ganyan. Ay, naniniwala ko sa iyo. Kasi for me, talent over fame always. And yung mga pinipili ko rin naman sa TBC, I don't look at reads na kailangan, and not to name any publishing house, pero sa TradPub kasi they would look at, ay, that meron kang 1 million reads para i-publish ka sa publication na ganito, na ganyan. Sa TBC kasi, kaya meron tayong review process. Yeah, I really look into the talent of people, and wala rin tayong open for submission kasi ang ginagawa ko, I want you guys to join our writing contests para dun pa lang nasasala na, and then pag nakapasok na sa TBC through those writing contests, dun ako nag-invite, like what I did with you guys, diba? From Letra Etc. I invited you guys to be part of TBC to have your solo books, and ayan, kayong 4 yung nakapasok. So ganon, I really choose talent over fame. Kaya nung nagsabi ka nung kanina, kausap mo si Mix, agree ako na agree. Sabi ko, oh my God, yeah. Kasi, totoo, dapat
And
you always
Thanks be to
choose
God,
talent.
of course. Kung hindi dahil
Oo
kay
naman.
Papa God, wala tayong talent, syempre.
True naman. Naniniwala rin naman ako na God-given ang lahat ng talents. So, thank you so much for being here,
Thank you
Edison.
so much.
And sana
mga
makita
nanonood
tayo.
sa atin, maraming salamat.
Yes, thank you. Sana makita tayo sa Manila.
MIBF.
Yes, MIBF kita-kit sa
MIBF.
September.
Yes. That would
Okay,
be on
guys, sa
September.
mga gustong umorder ng Eventide, you can pre-order today. This is 289 pesos sa bit.ly/TBC Chapter 15. Nandiyan po sa screen natin, nasa
May
ticker
link
po,
na po tayo
nagpa-flash
sa
dyan.
notes. Opo.
Yes, meron. Thank you so much, Edison. Have a great
Thank you
night.
so much.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello. Napasigaw tuloy ako. May gumapang kasi sa akin na na lamok. Hello.
Hello! I'm back.
So ayun, medyo nahilo ako kay Edison dahil I in-expect ko to. So feeling ko sa lahat ng makakausap natin tonight, siya yung, kasi he's even older than me kung age ang pag-uusapan na. Pero I think not just the age but also, yun nga sinasabi ko, parang when someone is older than you, it mas marami siyang eksperyensa, and those experiences are, these are knowledge, these are wisdom, and he was able to, ang tawag dito, parang, to show it to us na he has tons of experiences, and I heard it from his words and even the book that he has written. Kaya sana makakuha kayo ng libro ni Edison, guys. And also yung pagle-layout namin dito, para siyang long leave book. So sa mga nakapagbasa na ng long leave na books or poetry books, ganun yung pagkaka-layout namin. Specifically, nag-usap kami dalawa. So yung sa kanya tsaka yung kay Jo, ganun yung pagkaka-layout namin. Pero most likely sa kanya kasi parang ginawa namin yung parang front page lang yung merong piece, tas yung back page wala. Talagang parang long live yung style niya. Pero yan, ikaw, Mix, how was your experience speaking with Edison?
Yeah, grabe. Parang ang laking jump mula kay Althea papunta kay Edison in terms of alam mo yon, depth usapan. Kasi siguro
at saka magkaiba rin kasi yung book nila, no?
Yes, tama. Parang masasabi ko na in terms of poetry, nakarelate ako kay Althea since yun nga, parehas nga din kami ng ideas. Pero in terms of wisdom, mas nakarelate ako naman kay Edison. So parang yun, parang ina-admire ko din not just
True.
yung pag-share niya ng experience but also his humility, no? Hindi ko na feel na masyado siyang mataas na tao, kumbaga, and I think it bleeds through his writing din.
At doctorate degree holder siya, my God.
Yeah, grabe, 'di ba? Ako nga wala pa.
Talaga ako na-amaze.
Yes, 'di ba, nakakatuwa.
Ito nga, pag-graduate pa lang, pero okay lang naman yun.
Yes. Yeah, I mean, yeah, kahit, parang ang nakuha ko doon is that kahit nasa ang point tayo in life, parang ito, this form of art, kumbaga, poetry brings us together. Yeah, on the same level of experiencing life. Yun. Grabe, lumalalim na rin pinagsasabi ko. Ano ba to? Wala pa alas 10.
Kanina nga, di naman ako talaga mag-English. Napa-English ako dahil nag-English si Edison eh.
Oh,
But I had fun, kahit bigla siyang nawala. Kahit bigla siyang nawala in the middle of your conversation. I mean, it was how will I, parang encapsulate it in one word. Siguro parang fortified conversation. Kasi punong-puno naman talaga siya and maraming sigurong napulot yung term. Pero yata parang napulot na kaalaman ng ating mga manonood tonight.